We are always looking for alternatives to make the rhythm of our lives easier, faster, and much closer to everything we want. Sparets App is the fastest and closest alternative for you. As a car owner, Sparets App is the easiest alternative for you to find suitable spare parts at very competitive prices or a suitable place to repair your car from damages and accidents. Sparets App is the fastest for you as an auto parts seller to sell more and increase your profits, and the most reachable for you as a garage owner to expand your business and increase your customers. Through the largest car auto repair advertising platform in the Arabian Gulf and the Middle East, Sparets App takes you to 3 different interfaces to find what suits you: offered posts, required posts, and accidents posts. In offered posts, as an auto parts provider, you can advertise for your available spare parts to be contacted at the earliest opportunity by car owners. In the required posts, as a car owner, you can advertise for the spare parts you are looking for. Finally, the accident posts. Post your accident easily. Just inspect the damaged parts. Upload your accident photos to be contacted by car repair garages. Hurry up and download Sparets App now for free registration. Available at App Store and Google Play. Sparets App, your platform to repair your car.